Beautiful day here in Los Angeles. If you're looking for the perfect Easter recipe, I got you covered. So I'm going to share with you guys my seasonal tart recipe made with puff pastry. Come on, let's go to the store and see what we find. Now that we're back in the kitchen, we've gathered all our ingredients. I am going to teach you the super simple recipe. It's perfect for Easter. It is with puff pastry. So you can get puff pastry at your local grocery store. This is like a secret weapon if you have a gathering or event coming up and you want quick appetizers. Let's get into it. Puff pastry has already thawed out and I'm going to put some egg wash on here. Then it has a nice goldenness to it. So just put a little egg wash moisture all over. This just helps it from burning. For our base, I'm using some goat cheese. It has a nice creaminess to it. I'm gonna smother this all over. I also have mozzarella, so just depending on what kind of cheese you want, you can play around with it. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of pink salt, just for flavor, a little bit of herbs, some fresh heirloom tomatoes. Beautiful. Just for the parts that don't have the goat cheese, add a little bit of mozzarella. All right, so my golden beets are gonna go on. Turkey bacon, which will be fun and tasty, bring a little bit of crunchy and savoriness to the dish. And asparagus, just have fun with it. I'm gonna put it all on one side. And I have some basil, but it just brings such great aromatics to the dish. Add a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of balsamic vinegar. See, you can even add some lemon. I just save it for the top because later on we can take the lemons off. It's just for nice flavor. Add a little bit of pepper. This is gonna go into the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes until golden, crispy brown. All right, it's been about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna take this out. Oh my gosh, this looks so beautiful. Here is our finished product. Oh my gosh, this looks so beautiful. I mean, how can you say no to that? So I'm gonna cut it into squares. Greens always look fancy. Look at that cheese. There you go, that's our first piece. This is my yummy, tasty puff pastry tart. Perfect for any party. Hope you give it a go. The recipe will be posted at Chen TV. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Hey, if you guys want to check out another recipe, check out this link right here. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Don't miss out on our upcoming videos. See you guys next week.